Celia. Today I want to unbox this huge box. I ordered something from KitchenAid last week. There were two products. One is the food processor and the other one is the hand mixer. Let's unbox it. So these are the two products I got it this time. They are both in this almond white color. I was hesitating in this color and the matte black. Let's open this one first. Like this day, I really like to bake, and then I don't have my hand mixer myself, but I'm moving soon to another new apartment with another friend. So I think it's better I get one myself. So that's all there. That's the main machine. I really like their painting. Like it's really pretty. It's for sure plastic, but it's like really glossy. I think it's really cute. And then it comes with the some accessories. One is this one. This is the most I think it's the most common one for most of the blending, mixing with everything. I think this can do the most work. And this is for the dough. So if I want to make a bread, this can be really. This is the one for the bread. And then this one is the whisk. I think this can be very great for the egg whites or to make some foam. And this one is just it's called mixing roll. So I'm not really sure what do I need. Maybe just to make things blended well. So yeah, so that's all from this one. I think it's quite simple and quite straightforward. Most of the hand blending machines like this, and also they come with a little pouch to storage this accessories. Yeah, so that's for this. And this one is the food processor. I didn't know it's this big, I think I was assuming it's smaller, like maybe this size or something. Okay, let's open it. It comes with several different type of blades. This one is a little hard to open. Let me push this down. First the manual. Oh, this one also has the manual. I just didn't open it because I think I know how it will function. This manual, I might want to read it before I use it. And then this is the main machine. So it's the button. It's quite heavy, but I think it should be heavy. Otherwise, yeah, I think when it's turning, it's going to be heavier. And the button is like this. Overall, it's again really pretty. And then this is the main place for us to put all the ingredients. Wait, let me move it like this way. And first, it's a cover, and then this is the first blade. We can slice the veggie. For example, there's one blade here, and also this can be for to mince it. The other one similar, but I think maybe this is thicker, so we can make it. Yeah, it's like 6 slice. Oh, they wrote it here. So this one is the 6 slice, and then this one is the medium slice. It says medium slice. Yes. And then this one is for it looks like this. I think it's to mix the dough blade. So if we want to make cookie, crumbling things, I think this is perfect. And then this one is just the blade for the knife. So to crush most of the things, I think we'll use this one. Yeah, so that's basically how it looked like. And I really like this part that we can just put the topper part, this part. So we can just put our ingredient inside, then it will, so we don't need to open it every time when we add stuff. So I think that's very nice. And then I think I will for sure make something soon. I'm gonna make the matcha ugly cookie with my friend today later, so I'm actually waiting for her right now. So I think I'm not really sure whether I will use food processor or the hand blender. I think maybe both, or maybe just one of them. And earlier I said food processor, I would like to try to make veggie juice, but I'm actually not sure if that actually work, because I searched online. Maybe most people are still only use the blender for the veggie juice. So I'm gonna try later. If it's good, then I'm gonna share with you guys. If it's not, then I'll also tell you, like, I think maybe blender is the better one. But let's see.